Hi, to unblock numbers on your Vivo V40, we would need to go in the phone app first. And here, take a look at its upper panel. You would need to tap on the three dots and go in the settings. Now simply search for this block numbers tab, and here you would see all of your blocked phone numbers. In my case, it is only one number, so you can add another one. For example, if you just tap this option and enter any phone number manually and then select the option to block it. Now you can also enable this unknown feature so you can block calls from unknown callers, just like that. And to unblock phone number, you would need to tap on this cross and select the option to unblock it. And now this phone number is unblocked. Also, to block a contact, go in your contacts list, select contact you want to block, tap on the three dots. Here you would need to go in this block numbers and block this number. Also, you can report it as spam, or you can leave it like that, and now it is blocked. To unblock, just go back here, select unblock, and unblock it from the contacts app. And that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.